86, I'm right behind you. 86, we're coming to a stop here.
10-4, Sheriff 86. Overhead.
Just when the officers thought Courtney had given up, he sped off once again, but this time with severely damaged tires, so the officers took the opportunity to box him in.
Go for it. Show me your hands!
As the officers close in on the vehicle, Courtney gulps down a lukewarm bottle of whiskey and ignores their commands to get out of the car. So the officers proceed to make their way into the vehicle.
Tried to keep the dog right here by tapping on the window.
Yep. Go for it. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Crawl across the car for me. No. Crawl across the speed.
Good shot. Very good shot. Ready? Hands up. Dude, I'm not ready. You're gonna get tased if you don't get out of the car. Stop for a second. Hey, keep your hands up. Come on, guys.
I promise.
Get out of the car and get tased.
I'm not gonna touch you.
Get out of the car.
Okay.
Coming out this way.
You're on the way. He's running back. He's running back.
Fire's clear. Just keep the dog in there. Obviously, we don't want to.
Plumber's just serious.
Can I see him? Before I go to
The dog's fine, dude.
I know
The dog is fine,
What's that belt buckle? Anything on that?
I'm not right. I told him I wasn't right.
Yeah.
From the police chase in Georgia that ended in a dramatic, fatal crash, to the pursuit that concluded with police shooting the suspect, and the suspect who slammed into a parked car, these are the moments where suspects die trying to evade the police. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right in. The first chase is no ordinary chase. On July 8th, 2024, in Troy, New York, police were keeping an eye on an area known for drug sales. They spotted a guy who looked a bit too suspicious in a ski mask and a crossbody pouch, pedaling around the block.
Pull over, man. Pull over.
When officers tried to approach, he bolted, setting off a chase.
We'll call the 202. If you stop it, talk it down and see if we have any charges.
So we'll be on pursuit with a man on a bike south in the alley between 1 and 2, 15, 16.
Crazy.
And south on first. Going beyond 589 first.
The pursuit took an unexpected turn as the suspect rode over an embankment, landing in the Hudson River.
Yeah, can one of you guys grab a rescue disc?
Help me!
102, there's an active call going on.
Help!
Yo, throw me a rescue disc!
I got it.
He's fucking drowning. Give me it. Yo, man, grab onto this! Grab onto this! Grab onto this! Grab onto it! Grab onto it, dude! Grab onto it!
Tragically, despite rescue efforts, the man, later identified as Simpson, was found dead underwater. It turned out he was wanted for parole violations and had a stash of cocaine in his pouch.
Grab onto this, man.
589 first for the record.
Son of a bitch. He's underwater now. Yo, grab onto this.
24, Pasadena police found a suspicious white pickup truck parked the wrong way. When officers approached, the driver, 36-year-old Ricardo Guade Andrade, suddenly sped off, almost hitting an officer, and the chase started.
You said nothing illegal in the car? No. Is it okay if we check, just make sure? No? Okay. Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Huh? Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Hold on. No. Turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Oh, You're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over. Hey, you're gonna get fucking shot, dude. You're gonna get fucking shot. Stop the fucking car. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Go.
Okay, we're still southbound Hudson.
The driver crashed into a car parked in the front yard of a home. Andrade then ran into a neighborhood, and officers set up a search.
Okay, he TC'd into a residence. Here. Driving.
With help from a police helicopter, officers located Andrade in a backyard. A K-9 tried to get him to surrender, but he pulled out a handgun. When he refused to drop it, officers shot him.
Hey, put your hands to your side!
All right, let me get a contact team. Arrest him.
Walk towards me!
Hold on.
Walk towards me! Bring my dog to me! Bring my dog to me!
Hold on. Behind lethal. Let me get an arrest team. 2 people with
I
hoods.
need to see your hands! I need to see your hands! Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now!
Hey, someone break down the dispenser here.
All right. Cover me. I got it. Move up just a little bit.
Hold on. Suspect, stand up now!
Move your arm, Louis. Move your arm, Johnny.
Yep, take it out. Yep, I need a hook team. Suspect, move towards me! Let me see your right hand! Let me see your right hand! Let me see your right hand now! I do not know if you have a gun or a weapon on you! Let me see that hand! Put your arms up! Alright, your lead, stand by here. Hey, gun! Stop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Watch my dog, dude. Watch my dog. Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it right now! Drop it!
Drop the gun. I will shoot you in the head. You're gonna die right now.
Drop it!
I will shoot you.
Put it down! Watch my dog, guys! Watch my dog! Stop! He's fired! Flat! Here, bud! Livin'!
They provided first aid until paramedics arrived, but Andrade was later pronounced dead at the hospital. A handgun was found at the scene, and no officers were hurt.
Here, bud!